Welcome back, Rednecks. We are working on the Ranger today, and I'm not quite sure where we left off. We had the holiday weekend, which was, I was sick for one of them, then we had Christmas, and then we had New Year's, and yeah, now we're back to it, so sit back and enjoy. Done so far is we got these two bottom bars in right here, and those are supporting the motor. If you take a look, these are our motor mounts. Those are coming off of them bars right there. And then we put in a few gussets for the roll bar, and I don't know what we're going to do next. We are trying to figure out how we're going to support the suspension off the top bars. So I guess, yeah, you're going to have to hang tight and see what we come up with. Well, check it out, guys. We have the suspension all supported right here. We got the bar this way all welded in. Got the bar going to the back with an extra truss right here going to the subframe. All we have left to do is we want to come from here and go down to the frame somewhere around there to finish that one out. And then tomorrow we're going to do the other side. So I guess that's where I'm going to leave you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, guys, it's the next day, and we have our game plan. We are going to make structural support for our roll cage. We need to finish this other side over here, and then we need to support this corner over here to the frame for the roll cage. So, yeah, I guess it's time to get back to work. job, Matt. Alright guys, we are going to be calling it a day. As you can see, we have all of our bracing done here. We put in another brace here. We got the bottom brace here for the roll bar, and we continued this brace down to the frame, so that's all supported. And yeah, for the most part, we got the back done. We need to do one more cross brace, and then we need to fix the cab mounts, and we are going to mount the bedside over there on the side of it. So we got to do all that, so that'll be in the next video. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back.